everyone. Today we are going to learn long vowel A. What is long vowel A and what is this AI words? Let me learn how to read AI sound words. So when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking and it will say its name. What it will do? It will say its name. Usually, the phonic sound of A, E, I, O, U is A, E, O, A. It is called short vowel sound. When it comes to long vowel, the vowel will say its name. The vowel will say its letter name. It will not say its sound. It will not say its phonic sound. So A, E, I, O and U. Now, when you see the letters A and I, it will give A sound. A sound. What sound? A. P, A, N. Pain. Main. Dir, A, N. Drain. Now try the rest of the words and learn how to read the AI sound words. Thank you.